Did you know nearly 80% of successful sales leaders now rely on AI tools? Sales isn't changing, it's already changed. Welcome to the Endless Desires TED, where I unlock the secrets of future success. Today let's dive into the 3 new rules of sales mastery that will redefine your playbook. Sales isn't just about cold calls and charm anymore, it's about understanding behaviors, adapting instantly, and creating real value for every client. But here's the struggle. Traditional scripts, they fail to connect. Attention spans, shorter than ever. And everyone, yes, everyone, expects a personalized solution. The battlefield of sales is shifting, and only those who evolve will lead the way. So what are the top professionals doing differently? First, AI tools. Think intelligent CRMs and smart email assistants. Automation is my new wingman, freeing up time and boosting my results. Second, social selling. Building trust and influence on platforms like LinkedIn is now more powerful than any cold call I've ever made. Third, data analytics. I know who to pitch, when to follow up, and how to close, all powered by insights, not guesswork. These aren't just trends, this is the DNA of modern sales. The future of sales isn't about grinding harder, it's about working smarter and deeper. The winners of tomorrow will embrace technology, build genuine human connections, and master data-driven storytelling. Here at the Endless Desires TED, I truly believe real growth happens where tech, empathy, and strategy meet. So here's the big takeaway. Use AI, go social, trust the data, because the future, it belongs to those who dare to innovate. Now I want to hear from you. What's your take on the future of sales? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're ready to level up, check out my other videos right here at the Endless Desires TED. Success always starts with one bold idea.